Hi, Ashton here at Lancaster Honda. Today we got this CR-V SR in stock for you. It's a 2-litre self-charging hybrid. It's a really nice car, dynamic ride as well. We sold it from brand new. In this video I'll be walking around the car, showing you any wear and tear done by the previous customer, and showing you the interior and the miles. So at the start of it, we got these LED headlights, LED daytime running lights, along with front and rear parking sensors and LED fog light, which are turn indicated as well. Got 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, which is really nice. As you can see, the silver trim, roof rail on top as well. You got a keyless entry on this car, the second alloy there. It's been really kept in good condition by his previous owner, credit to him. So yeah, on the rear we got the LED tail lights. You do have rear parking sensors along with a reverse camera just down there. I'll show you the boot space on this car. As you can imagine, really lovely boot space on a CR-V. You do have your toolkit and tire repair kit under here. The previous owner has also put in a dog guard in case you got dogs. That really comes in handy. You don't charge you extra. Subwoofer down there and a retractable parcel shelf as well. The seats do fold down. It's got 60-40 split setting on the seats. I'll show you in a minute. It's all-wheel drive too. So yeah, coming on the right hand side of the car, as you can see, it's really shiny and blinging. So yeah, really lovely, been looked after. You got ivory interior, all 4 automatic windows as well. Really nice. Isofix settings on both the sides with a couple of cup holders in the middle there. A third climate control along with a couple of USBs as well. Show you keyless entry there, along with your blind spot recognition system just down there. Over here we got your window switches, all 4 automatic. We got your folding wing mirrors which are heated as well, locking system there, and ivories on the doors. Down here we got your traction control, parking sensors, heated wipers. You do have lane departure warning and departure mitigation there, along with the power button. I'll jump in and show you inside. So the car's on only 6,642 miles. Comes with auto headlights, like I said, auto wipers, multifunction steering wheel with low and keep assist, and adaptive cruise control. You do have your Bluetooth hands-free function and functions to customize your home screen there. Down here we got your touchscreen navigation as well, along with other function. Does support Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Just have to plug it in down there. Your gearbox down here, along with your electric parking brake and your drive modes down there. I'll show you the reverse camera. Nice and clear reverse camera with 3 modes as well. Down here we got only 1 service done since from brand new. So the next service will be carried out by our Honda trained technicians. So you're in good hands. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.